Hey people, this is Kabuki Magician here, doing more scrap mechanic videos, and I thought we'd have more fun. Totally the works at 8 o'clock. I don't know why I do the videos in the morning. But apparently our RV is gone, because it was right there next to that tree, and now it's not there. Just I moved it, but last time we made a Jeep on Scrap Mechanic School. We're on the same map, so we might as well just get the Jeep instead. We should run up here. This is a nice field to build. I actually don't need the Jeep for building this field. So. Gonna try to build a truck here. Can we like a futuristic truck? Take a long time. A long time. You just build this. You can skip it if you want. I'll leave the time in the description for when you skip it until this is done to see what it's like, because that's what I do on some of my Scrap King videos I watch. I like to skip some of it because, well, it kind of gets boring for me unless it's like something like an airplane, like I want to know how to do it. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm almost done. We should go like this over here. Wait, what? Did it seriously just fall in? It just seriously happened. It just seriously fell in. He's like falling. We could technically leave it like that. Make it a garbage truck. Actually, that's a pretty good idea. Make it a garbage truck. We put scraps in. Because we have a lot of scraps in this world. So we can probably put just scraps. Yeah, I'll put only scraps in there. This is going to be a garbage truck. We still have the engine and stuff connected, so it's good. I'm going to have to do all our seats now. Okay, here we go. One, two, three. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. No, we're not. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there. Make sure it matches up. Okay, yeah, it matches up. Wait. Oh, that's why it's not even. Okay. I have to get rid of this then. This can go in our garbage pile. Remove it out. I don't know. We gotta get it off here. There we go. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay, it works. Okay, let's take this. And after, we're going to take the color gun and color this, because we haven't colored our things in a long time. Because we were doing that school thing, and I even forgot about coloring that. Yeah. Coloring was a great thing that came out. So we're going to color this glass too, so. We need those at this moment where poop. Guess we need these. Time to add the wheels. This can be a 6-wheeler. So I'm trying to think of all the sides to turn, or just the back too, or just the back. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's turn at the top. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Maybe turning, so. Purple, unstoppable. 1 second. So we go down here. Make a wheel, there we go. And so yeah. So that's good. So we got all these engines. We're gonna connect them. Oh, we still have to put a seat down. Duh. So we're gonna put. How big is this compared to like? Oh, we might be able to fit 2 seats actually. Let's see. Can we fit a passenger seat? Oh yeah, we can. Can we fit another passenger seat? call iPhone. My phone's like, hey, I'm gonna text you. And I'm like, no. Why? Why does it have to text me? That's why I'm like, my phone can be really annoying. And just like some other people I know, be very annoying. Staff of it. Okay, it takes you out. Okay, that's good. Okay, time to paint. So we need the painting gun. So we're gonna paint our thing. I'm gonna paint our glass white. Oh, so you can tint it, that's about it. I like our glass blue tinted. I think that would look cool, wouldn't it? Unshappy, unshappy, unshappy. I'm showing you shappy. I'm so unshappable. Yeah, we still have this. Good. If we didn't have this, I'd be bad. That would be really bad. Actually, I want my seat red. And then we're gonna have the color of our vehicle. How about green? We should make it green, because the color of garbage. What color of barf in discussing this is green, so we're gonna make it green. We're painting stones right now, which is weird. I really like the design of like the stones. They look like actual stones. They don't look like some chiseled thing, like they do in Minecraft or a lot of other games. Bum ba ba bum ba ba bum ba. Can I make music out of this? Chin, 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 chin. That should be an album. Just the sound of painting and scrap mechanic. It's so great. It should be an album. Should be an that's what it should be. What is get some detail. Looking nice. Not looking nice. Looking dank, isn't it? We're gonna make the under part all red. Which is gonna be nice. So it's starting to look like a watermelon, actually. Seriously, isn't this starting to look like a watermelon? Yeah, it's starting to look like a watermelon, which is bad. Nobody wants a thing to look like a watermelon, especially when you're building something like this, and you don't want your thing to look like a watermelon. Okay, then we're gonna make our wheels purple. There we go. Well, I never had better back wheels. Our back wheels are gonna be different color. What did I just do? And should our back wheels be? Yellow. They're gonna be yellow. Okay. Time to connect the engine and everything up. To the seat. Engine. Engine. Bad engine. So, Frank connected it, finally, and we're gonna connect the seat to these. And this, those. So you're not going forward, not going forward, not going forward, and going forward. Yeah, okay, yeah, going forward. The watermelon. Can't just have that there. Can't just have that there. Bring this down. Wait, what? Just... test it out. Apparently it doesn't want to work for us still after. So let's get up here. So apparently our seat has gone to oblivion. I don't know what oblivion I went to. That's gonna be our breeze seat. It's where you kinda get a breeze like this. I definitely didn't just make that up. Gas engine. Put this up. Put this up. Now, let's see if it works. So stupid. Why did we disconnect this? Why is it still not working? I will Kamehameha you. I will. Better work now. Wait. The engines are connected to things. Finally, it moves a little bit. No, too fast. We don't want it moving too much. Come on, it's pretty quick back here. We don't want it moving like half speed of that. Still too fast. Need to turn one of these engines off. Too fast. Too fast. Too pee poop. Too up poop. It's too up poop. Cause too up poop is not something to mess with, people. You got too up poop, you got to go. Like, seriously, if you have too poop, you have to go. You cannot just avoid not going. Come on, get out of this. Leave that there for now. The engines still have to go down still. Like, still. Okay. Still a little bit, only a little bit too fast, so we're gonna fix that. Oh my god. I'm gonna give him an arrow with you because I'm done getting stuck in that. Okay, there we go. And what is this still here? I don't know. Could we get hooked on something? Okay, this is like perfect. I hate big vehicles when they do this. Okay. First turn right. Oh, that's why. And guess what I forgot to put on it? Suspension. Just see my guy's face. He's like, ah, no. Oh, no. Like, oh no, oh no, ah! Okay, well, that's pretty good. But we're gonna add some extra things to this. So let's go ahead and add a radio to it. Where should we add a radio? Right there. And connect this to a button. Button to the seat. That's gonna be button number 1. Oh, it's connected, okay. We're gonna have some boosters in the back for button number 2. Okay, they all start at half, okay. So next, we're gonna add the horns to complete this vehicle. There we go. I'm gonna go back here. And switch 3. Connect to the seat. And let's test out what we have. So, number 1. We got our radio going for number 1. Number 2. We got some jet fuel thrusters. Just in case we ever need to go up a little bit faster. Just so we can't find the air. We have our horn. In case we're ever playing multiplayer and we're all like, we build a room and relax. Back my way now! Seriously, game. You flipped over a truck. But that's what I've made about for this time. I will see you in the next video. So, God.